y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing these lovely CurlsQueen clip-ins. They're 18-inch balayage light Yaki clip-ins. All the details concerning the clip-ins are going to be linked down in the description box down below. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just braid my hair. I decided I wanted a middle part, to be honest, so I'm just going to make sure my part is centered. And then the rest of my hair, I'm just going to braid up. From CurlsQueen. They're my favorite company to get clip-ins from. I love the fact that it comes with a bonnet. Every single purchase that you make always comes with a bonnet and a brush and extra clips to go over some clip-ins. Okay, change in scenery, but I've officially finished my braid down. This is the bundle that we are going to install today from CurlsQueen, like I mentioned earlier. So this is what it's looking like. This is their 18-inch light Yaki balayage bundle. It's also, this style is kind of like a light brown, ash blonde, honey blonde balayage, as you guys can see. And it's super full. It's 10 pieces. They're 18-inch like I mentioned before, and it's super full. I know a lot of people like to ask me like how many pieces do I use. I use the whole bundle. We're gonna put the whole bundle in our head today. Okay, so for the back, I'm gonna go in with this 3-clip piece. Put this at the base of my braid here. And it's very secure too. It's not going anywhere. So next I'm gonna go with my bigger piece here. Just gonna go in with this next piece. This is the 5-clip piece. And I'm gonna go right above the piece that I put before. First, I just wanna make sure it's gonna be even before I clip everything in. So I'm just gonna do that. Just like that. It's so full already, and I only have 2 pieces in my head so far. That is insane. So I'm just gonna put the next piece, and of course it's honestly very repetitive, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep putting the pieces in until I get to the very top of my head. So far I only put 4 pieces in my head, and this is what we're looking like. This is how full it's looking. I have a couple pieces left. I have 6 pieces left, of course. So this piece, I'm thinking just putting it closer to my leave out here so it can lay a little bit better. And then of course the next pieces I'm just gonna put closer in between my leave out, of course, because I want it to look well blended with it. So now that I put that last piece in, one of the bigger pieces in, and I have nothing but the tinier clips left, I'm just gonna put this one here, and then I'm gonna put another one in between my leave out right here so it blends a little better. Okay, so this is what we're looking like after all the pieces have been put in my head. I told you I was gonna fit all 10 pieces in my head, and it worked. And the blend is insane. Like, when I tell you their Yaki bundles blend beautifully with my hair, when I tell you, okay, hold on. When I tell you these clip-ins are the best clip-ins for type 4 hair, it makes no sense. Do you see the blend? Mind you, I have a blunt cut. I have a blunt cut, and you cannot see where my hair starts from where it be. Like, no, you can't tell. You can't tell where my hair is. And that is what we want. That is what we want. Even with the color, you can't tell. You cannot tell. But I'm feeling like I want to add a little bit of curls to the hair. This is what it looks like straight. I'm short, so. But this is what it looks like when it's straight. Of course, my hair is sticking to my face, per usual. So I'm gonna add some curls to it, just to see how it will look. Okay, so this is the final look of what it looks like when it's fully curled. And when I tell you this is super, super cute, the blend is impeccable. You can't even see my blunt cut, which is amazing. But this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. And if you guys are interested in getting these clip-ins, it's gonna be linked down below in the description. These clip-ins again are from CurlsQueen. This is their 18-inch light Yaki balayage. It is their ash blonde, honey brown color. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys haven't, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and TikTok and tap in. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.